In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to Google Sheets. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to typeform.com and click on this Get Started. It's free option in order to create an account. You can also click onto the sign up option that we have right here in the upper right corner. However, if you already have an account like I did, proceed to click onto this login option that we can see into this part. Now, here is my actual Typeform dashboard. So if you want to actually connect Typeform to your Google Sheets, the simplest way to do that is to access the Connect panel directly into it. So you can also click onto the integrations option if you would want as well. Now under this, it will show you some applications, and here we have already the Google Sheets. Proceed to click on this part, and you can show it right here. Click on this add. And then after that, this will actually load in order to show you the actual Google Sheet integration. So for this part, just wait for it. Then as you can see, to connect it, you just need to select a type form to connect. So I have in here this new type form that I have. Let's connect this particular type form into Google Sheets and click on connect. After you have done that, this will actually integrate those two forms together and it will launch right here. Just proceed to log into your Google account based on this part. I'll proceed to log in into my account right here. Click on continue. And after that, this will redirect in here this window. Click on continue right here. And from in there, just wait for this to log in order to get your data. You can create a new sheet or use an existing sheets. Just name your spreadsheet right here. Click on create and click on this activate integration. Just to try if there's something wrong with this. But once it's done, it should be able to work directly into this part. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.